Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we are going to be talking about One UI 8.5. It is currently December 7th, Sunday, here in the US, and we are expecting, hopefully, One UI 8.5 beta to start on the 8th. That has been the biggest rumor that we've been hearing this far. So far, as of yet, though, Samsung has not created, we have not seen any type of beta forum on any of the Samsung websites just quite yet. Which normally Samsung does publish a few days before they actually start rolling out the beta. Now, here in the Samsung Members app, this is where you'll find the beta section to install the beta, register for the beta, all that kind of stuff. We don't have any kind of information yet. If we scroll down to the beta program, it is obviously empty. No beta programs are available now. Now, maybe we won't see the forum launch early now that we have this section because this is fairly new. I think they just started this in the Samsung Members app with its own dedicated section down here for One UI 8, I believe. It used to be a banner up here when the beta registration went live, and that's where you would tap to do it. Now everything moved to its own little section. So hopefully we still do see it come out on December 8th or sometime later tonight in the US, maybe even technically December 7th in the US, but December 8th in places like Korea. We are expecting it in Korea, the United States, I think India for wave 1, and then usually the UK and places like that will get it in wave 2. Really hoping we get it, though. I've been really looking forward to it. I've installed some of the other applications here that have the One UI 8.5, kind of new floating theme and new design language that they're introducing in One UI 8.5. So I have these 4 applications here. I just did a video of these for the Sammy Guru YouTube channel with Jeff Springer, so you can check that out over on his channel once he gets that published here probably later today or tomorrow. But just wanted to go over that. We could be seeing One UI 8.5 launching here very soon in a beta, which would be new for Samsung. Normally, Samsung doesn't do betas for point releases, but I think 8.5 is going to be a pretty big update for them, and it's probably going to be the update that carries us all the way through the Galaxy S26 launch. So we're expecting it to be a pretty large update. We've already gotten some leaks. There's already some test builds that have leaked out that you can install on the international Galaxy S25 devices, but I obviously have the US S25 Ultra here, so unfortunately I can't install any of the leaked test builds. They're not available for the U1 or unlocked US devices. You need an international version. But again, Jeff Springer over at Sammy Guru, he does have an international version. He did do some videos on One UI 8.5 and some of the new changes and stuff like that. So check out the Sammy Guru YouTube channel. I'll link it down below if you guys want to check out any of those videos on One UI 8.5. But of course, once we get the official beta program started and I'm able to install it, I will be installing it on my Galaxy S25 Ultra. And of course, I will have a ton of videos on it. Depending on when it goes live, I may be able to do a live stream installing it and everything. It just depends on time of day. If it's late tonight or during the day tomorrow, I won't be able to because I'll be either at work or going to sleep for work. So now that I am working during the day, again, I can't do as many of those streams, but nonetheless, I will be doing a bunch of videos on some of the new changes and all the stuff new within One UI 8.5, and of course, continuing throughout the beta process. So make sure you subscribe to Techout and Sammy Guru. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.